Let's crochet the paws of baby dog. Start 3 chain stitches. Pick up the brown yarn. To start the chain stitch, make a slip knot firstly. Hold on to that intersection point with your thumb. Put the hook into the loop from right to left, from back to top. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through the loop. Then pull the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger until a knot is formed. Crochet 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. Now we will crochet 1/2 double crochet in the second chain stitch hole. Yarn over and put the hook into the hole. Yarn over again and bring the yarn through the first loop on the hook. Yarn over again and bring the yarn through all 3 loops on the hook. A 1/2 double crochet stitch finished. And then we will crochet a 1/2 double crochet stitch in the first chain stitch hole. 2 1/2 double crochet stitches finished. Do a chain stitch finally and then leave a long tail for sewing. 1 dog paw finished and try another 3 paws on your own.